I'm Pat Hindle with Microwave Journal, and we're here at IMS 2019 in Boston, talking with Mark Ayvazian, Director of RF Switches at Skyworks. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Can you maybe talk about some of the trends that you're seeing in the 5G market?
Sure. We're seeing lots of trends in Wi-Fi still being very strong. Wi-Fi 6 is now launching, 802.11ax. Lots of products, lots of interest on that side of things. We see infrastructure very strong these days, of course, with all the 5G activity happening in both sub-6 gigahertz and in millimeter wave. And so, Skyworks has a number of products there. We're very well positioned and looking forward to the real growth as 5G really kicks in.
So you mentioned millimeter wave technology. How do you see that playing out in the infrastructure and handset market?
Yeah, it's interesting. It's very early days, frankly. Millimeter waves has inherent difficulties with range. And a lot of that stuff needs to be worked out through the antennas used, all the different patch arrays. Figuring out that is going to be a big piece of the ultimate success in the terminal. I think in the infrastructure side of things, it's a little bit, you've got a little bit more, room to put things in. You've got early mover with some folks already out there providing some solutions. The semiconductor side of things there is still evolving. We're obviously working with our foundry partners around the world and bringing these products to light. I would say sub-6 gigahertz will be first. There are already products out there. You can see on your cell phone right now folks like Verizon and AT&T advertising 5G or 5G evolution. I would say that's a very incremental gain, but it's enough for the operators to claim the beginnings of 5G.
Right.
And so I'd say, again, very early days, but it is going to happen. 5G infrastructure is also going to allow for the smart world, let's say, where we have car-to-car communication. You need a robust infrastructure to be able to do the trillions and trillions of calculations needed for vehicle-to-vehicle, driverless cars, all those sorts of applications as we go forward.
So what are some of the things you're highlighting here at IMS 2019?
So for IMS 2019, on the infrastructure side, we've got a really nice high-power pin diode switch, 12245. Very high powers. It's mounted at the antenna of the base station, so these are generally above 50 or 60 watts, as high as powers of 120 watts. Wow. We mate that switch with our circulator products. So circulators are a big deal for us in some base station applications. Also, small cell amplifiers are still going, more on the 4G side of things, but still very strong with that build out. 67153, 67151 are two parts that can be seen on our website. Those are probably the biggest things for now, I would say.
Great. Well, we really appreciate you talking to us today, and I know the audience can check out your products at your website.
Anytime, skyworksinc.com.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.